Hello guys, today I will do a comparison video of OnePlus Nord 2T versus Nothing Phone 1. So let's get start the video. Start with dimension. Height. Nord 2T has 159.1 mm height and Nothing Phone 1 has 159.9 mm height. Width. Nord 2T has 73.2 mm width and Nothing Phone 1 has 75.6 mm width. Thickness. OnePlus Nord 2T has 8.2 mm thickness and Nothing Phone 1 has 7.5 mm thickness. Weight. OnePlus Nord 2T has 190 gram weight or Nothing Phone 1 has 179 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. OnePlus Nord 2T has 6.43 inches a screen size and Nothing Phone 1 has also 6.43 inches a screen size. Resolution. OnePlus Nord 2T has 1080p resolution and Nothing Phone 1 has also 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. OnePlus Nord 2T has 20:9 ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has also 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. OnePlus Nord 2T has 409 ppi pixel density and Nothing Phone 1 has 411 ppi pixel density. Display type. OnePlus Nord 2T has AMOLED display and Nothing Phone 1 has also AMOLED display. Protection. OnePlus Nord 2T has Gorilla Glass 5 protection and Nothing Phone 1 has also Corning Gorilla Glass protection. A screen to body ratio. Nothing Phone 1 has 86.3% screen to body ratio and Nord 2T has 85.7% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera. Start with OnePlus Nord 2T. Its primary camera has 50 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or depth camera of 2 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk Nothing Phone 1. It's also have a dual camera support and its primary camera have 12 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide also 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording feature. OnePlus Nord 2T and Nothing Phone 1, both the phone can record 4K video at 30 fps. Selfie camera. OnePlus Nord 2T has 32 megapixel selfie camera and Nothing Phone 1 has 12 megapixel selfie camera. Let's talk both the phone hardware. OnePlus Nord 2T come with MediaTek Dimensity 1300 processor and Nothing Phone 1 come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 processor. Hardware CPU. Nothing Phone 1 has octa-core 2.4 GHz and OnePlus Nord 2T has octa-core 3 GHz. Hardware CPU. OnePlus Nord 2T has Mali G77 MC9 and Nothing Phone 1 has Adreno 662. RAM. OnePlus Nord 2T has 8GB 12GB of RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 has only 6GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. OnePlus Nord 2T has 128 to 56GB internal storage and Nothing Phone 1 has 64 or 28GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. OnePlus Nord 2T doesn't support any card slot and Nothing Phone 1 also doesn't support any expandable card slot. Battery. Nord 2T has 4500 mAh battery and Nothing Phone 1 has also 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. OnePlus Nord 2T has come with 80 watt fast charger and Nothing Phone 1 with come 45 watt fast charger. Operating system. OnePlus Nord 2T come with Android 11 Oxygen OS 12.1 or Nothing Phone 1 come with Android 12 Nothing UI 1.0. Let's talk about the phone connectivity. Start with OnePlus Nord 2T. It's have a under display fingerprint, support 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or only 90 Hz refresh rate. Let's talk Nothing Phone 1 connectivity. It's also support under display fingerprint, it support 5G network, NFC, 120 Hz high refresh rate, stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk about the phone price. OnePlus Nord 2T come with $32,440 of 8GB RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 come with $28,358 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. OnePlus Nord 2T versus Nothing Phone 1. Both the phone are look good. Camera wise, there is a better camera on OnePlus Nord 2T. Hardware wise, there is a Nothing Phone 1 is a better hardware. Connectivity wise, both the phone have similar connectivity and OnePlus Nord 2T has better charger because of 80 watt. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.